Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Wall Street's bull run stumbles as major indexes tumble. Warner Brothers Discovery eyes Paramount for potential deal. Edmunds EV charging test reveals winners and losers. U.S. prepares for Gulf of Mexico oil and gas lease auction. Bluebird Bio stock takes a hit following $125 million offering announcement. Alphabet restructures, impacting ad sales unit. Amidst rising shares, Paramount considers selling BET Network. All the latest in business news. Stay tuned after this short ad break to delve deeper into these headlines. United States stocks experienced a downturn on Wednesday, with both the Nasdaq Composite and S&P 500 dropping more than 1%. This follows a phase of overbought trading levels. Treasury yields also saw a decrease as bond purchases escalated. FedEx's underwhelming quarterly results played a part in the market's decline, while all sectors of the S&P concluded in the red. In contrast to this, United States home sales witnessed an increase in November and consumer confidence improved in December.
Reportedly, Warner Brothers Discovery and Paramount Global are in the early stages of discussing a possible merger. However, no official negotiations have begun at this time. The chief executive officers of both corporations recently convened in New York City to investigate the potential for an agreement. This news emerges amid speculation that Paramount's majority stakeholder is contemplating selling assets to Skydance and the BET network to a group of investors.
Edmunds has teamed up with EV testing experts, P3, to devise a technique for comparing the charging times of electric vehicles. They've utilized a device that tracks electricity consumption during fast charging sessions and ranked vehicles based on the actual miles they can travel per hour of charging. The 2024 Hyundai Ioniq 6 Limited RWD emerged as the top performer, achieving 868 miles per hour under optimal conditions. On the other hand, models like Ford Mustang Mach-E and Chevrolet Bolt were among those with lower performance.
The United States government has planned an auction for oil and gas leases in the Gulf of Mexico. This event signifies the final chance for energy drillers to place their bids until the year 2025. The auction comprises more than 72.7 million acres located on the outer continental shelf, with certain areas specifically set aside for the protection of endangered Rice's whales. The Bureau of Ocean Energy Management will announce all bids online.
Shares of Bluebird Bio experienced a steep drop of 40% following the announcement of its public offering. The company has priced over 83 million shares at $1.50 each, with an aim to generate $125 million in funds. These funds are intended to bolster the commercialization and manufacturing processes for its 3 approved gene therapies, Zynteglo, Skysona, and Lyfgenia. Additionally, the funds will be used for other corporate purposes. The closing date for this offering is projected to be around December 22, 2023.
Shares in Alphabet have risen by almost 3% in response to news regarding a possible reorganization of its advertising sales department for enhanced productivity and automation. The technology behemoth is increasingly relying on machine learning for ad buying across various platforms, including its search engine and YouTube.
Negotiations are currently underway between Paramount Global and a group led by BET CEO Scott Mills, along with former Blackstone executive Ching Chu, for the sale of Black Entertainment Television, also known as BET. The potential transaction is estimated to be worth nearly $2 billion. This development comes after Paramount's earlier decision this year against selling a majority stake in BET. In addition to this, Byron Allen, a media tycoon, has once again put forward his offer of $3.5 billion for both BET and VH1.
Micron Technology experienced a surge in their share prices following the first quarter results and guidance, which surpassed expectations. The company reported a loss of 95 cents per share on revenues amounting to $4.73 billion. This positive outcome was attributed to improved supply, demand, and pricing conditions. Looking ahead, Micron Technology forecasts second quarter revenue to fall between $5.1 billion and $5.5 billion with an adjusted loss per share ranging from 21 cents to 35 cents. They also anticipate growth in personal computer and server shipments for the year 2024.
Thank you for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay inspired, and remember the world of business never sleeps. Farewell until tomorrow. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. See you later, until tomorrow comes around. This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.